Namaste, welcome back to Karti's Concepts of Learning. This is Katkiya. Today we back to our new experiment.
Okay, what we are going to do today?
Different substances have different densities.
Okay, then you are going to show what are the substances have the high densities and the low densities, right?
Yes.
So now let's see what all we need for an experiment.
Marble, drum, 2 tiny balls, beaker, water, honey, test tube, blue color, stirring stick and oil.
Okay, shall we start our experiment?
Yes. Take a test tube, add 15 ml of honey. Take a beaker, add 15 ml of water, add and mix 1 drop blue color. Mix with stirring stick. Pour 15 ml of colored water in test tube. Add 10 milliliters of vegetable oil. Drop the marble first. Second, the jam. Second, the jam. And the third, 2 tiny balls. Different objects sitting at different heights.
Okay, the science behind this is an object having higher density sinks in the liquid having lower density. Here we are having 3 liquids, that is the honey, colored water and the vegetable oil. And from this we can understand that honey settle at the bottom, which is having the high density.
Start from our experiment. Today is World Environment Day. Save water, save trees, go green, recycle and save our road. Thank you once again